Unit 4, Exercise 7.
That's right. This morning we talked about earlier delivery, part shipment, an additional shift and increased order quantities. We've looked at each alternative very carefully. We are unable to accept a third shift.
Well, I guessed you wouldn't want that because of the increase in price. However, it is a solution if there is a major increase in demand which needs to be met quickly.
At the moment, that's not going to happen. But who knows?
There is also the possibility of shipping the goods at intervals. What do you think of that?
Unfortunately, that's not an option either, because once again we would be looking at a price increase. Transport is really getting more and more costly these days.
True, but that depends then on which forwarder you use. Maybe I would be able to help you negotiate a very good price with our forwarder. Would you like me to try? I'm sure he'll be interested in dealing with you.
Of course, if you think you can do that. But we would have to look at that again at a later date, though.
Okay, I've made a note of it and we'll let you know.
Thank you, Marcy. Good. Now, Craig wants to discuss the final proposal with you. Craig.
Your question was about storage capacity. Maybe we can do it. We've checked, and with a little careful planning, we could store 3 containers.
Good to hear. However, I have another suggestion. There is also the possibility of adjusting order quantities according to your needs. Let's say 3 containers in one shipment as discussed, 2 in another, or even 4 if necessary. This would be okay as long as we stick to the overall ordered quantities we agreed to.
That's a nice offer, but we can't store 4 containers unless we build another warehouse, and that means no. Still, ordering 2 containers is an alternative, should there be any changes.